Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Valley News Live at noon here on this Friday, and it is hot. This is a look at your actual air temperatures at this hour. 92 in Baudette is the cool spot. Well, I guess Detroit Lakes only at 90. 97 in Hellock, Grand Forks, Fargo, 96 in Jamestown, 93 in Fergus Falls and in Devil's Lake as well. The furnace has been turned on, it feels like, especially with the breeze across the region as well. An hourly planner for Fargo today has us warming up a few more degrees yet, along with plenty of sunshine and the breeze out of the southwest, sustained in the teens near 20 miles per hour with gusts near 30. In a couple hours from now, we're looking at temperatures a few degrees warmer, and I will not be surprised at all if we have a few locations briefly hitting the triple digits. And some people are heat lovers. Maybe not myself, but I know many people who are. But it's important to keep in mind, even if you do love the heat, that it's the #1 weather-related killer. It was back in 2018. It has been over the 10-year average, and it has been over the 30-year average. Here's a few symptoms of heat exhaustion or heat stroke as a sign that you need to head into somewhere cooler. A throbbing headache or feeling faint or dizzy when you normally feel just fine. Once you stop sweating, that's a sign of a heat stroke. Your skin can become red, hot, and dry with heat stroke conditions, or cool, pale, and clammy to the touch. You might feel nauseous, you might start vomiting, your pulse turns rapid, and you may experience muscle cramps, or you may even lose consciousness. That's one of the more serious signs of a heat stroke. So let's beat the heat for today. Stay in some shady areas if you are able to. Try not to overexert yourself. Stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots of water for today, and find a way to cool off quickly. Take a dip in the pool, run through the sprinkler, or head inside to some air conditioning. Another thing to keep in mind, if you still need to walk the dog today, wait until later tonight, because the asphalt, with a temperature of 99 degrees, the air temperature, the asphalt can warm up to 140 degrees. That means your dog's paws can burn in as little as 1 minute. So let's take a splash in the pool. I know Fargo pools don't open until the 7th, but other area pools are open. Set up a pool in your backyard, run through the sprinkler. 99 degrees today in Fargo, lots of sunshine as well, but then we're also looking at some evening thunderstorms, so be sure to keep an eye on the sky if you're still in the pool later for today. UV index is going to be between an 8 and a 9, which is very high. Lather on that sunscreen and stay hydrated. You can burn in as little as 15 minutes. And in addition to the heat, that breeze that's picking up, red flag warning went into effect just a little bit ago, right at noon, and will continue until 9 p.m. for all of the red shaded region. Currently does not include the James River Valley, Stutsman, Lemoore, or Dickey counties, but this means that burning of any kind is a very, very bad idea for today. We are looking at the chance for some thunderstorms, mostly later on this evening for the areas shaded in yellow in particular. We're not looking at large hail. We're not looking at the threat for tornadoes. What we're most concerned about with these storms that pop up is damaging wind gusts, 60 to maybe even 70 miles per hour. That includes the Devil's Lake Basin up through Langdon and Grand Forks as well. So timing things out quick in your hour by hour, windy and hot for the rest of the afternoon. We'll see a few increasing clouds. And then here come these thunderstorms. This is by 6:30. This particular model has been pushing in throughout the evening hours. And as that becomes more linear, that means that the threat is going to be those damaging wind gusts. Another first alert weather day tomorrow, another very, very hot day, 97 degrees. And we might see a few of those thunderstorms lingering into the early morning hours. Then, Brian, we cool things down a little bit more. Upper 80s, low 90s for the rest of the week. And each and every day on the forecast, we have a chance for some thunderstorms. And the average high, 75.
All we gotta do is just beat this heat.
Yeah.
Thanks, Summer. Well, straight ahead at noon, an effort to reduce food waste by recycling leftovers and making people pay for what they don't eat.